Hello everyone, in this tutorial I try to use all the required tools to prepare a PowerPoint presentation for a mathematical problem, solve it, physical, chemical, no matter any calculation. As you see how I applied animation for the text, for an object and for equations, also how explain the procedure, how derivate, how apply simple arrows, how simplify equation. For example, this y cancels each other with the y in denominator, as you see, and find the solution. Also at the end I applied this end show. Let us do it. For example, I have this object. I don't want to put animation for this object, so I just put it as it is. I have this text. For the text, for example, I can change the font to bold, italic, and also you can apply fill color. As you see, let provide this color, okay? Also, I want to apply animation for this one, so select the text, go to animation, appear. That's the type. If you see this fly in, it will be like this, float in will be like this, split like this. I choose split for this one. And also area for rectangular channel equal to b multiply y. It's no matter, it will be a text or an object. In the same way we can apply the animation. So I apply this shape animation. This one, this is too slow, so let's use another one. Fly in. Okay, let be this one. And perimeter, weighted perimeter, it will be this y plus b plus y. It's no matter the calculation basic. I need just show you how we can prepare it in PowerPoint. So I use this one. Okay. Now we need to apply animation for this one also. Just fade. I select animation for this one. You see the number of animation is. It shows the order of animation is. Okay. To appear this one. So this one fly in. We need this arrow to show a simplification. Or from point to this point, how the equation will change. So I apply animation for this one also. Okay, it will be a over y squared equal to 2. Apply another animation. Also we have here different animation. Here disappear, we can apply disappear also, but I need appear. Okay, but a equal to by. After that we need to apply animation for this one. Let be this one. Okay, then this one. Yes. After that we see here we can apply the symbol for cancel each other. This y cancel one of y here, so I can from this one insert this line here. Okay, you can copy, control V, this one also in here. Select this one. I can change the properties. How? I change it to red. Red means canceling each other. And type with this, line with this. Yes, now it's good. In this way, in this time, we have to apply animation for both together. How we can? Select this one and this one. You can add animation. For example, this one. Okay. Then we need to apply animation for this one also. Up here. Here, after simplification, we get y equal to or b equal to 2y. Just here, bring a text box, shift b equal to 2y. That's the final solution. Bold, large size. Okay. And animation. Fly in. On purpose, I didn't apply animation for this rectangular channel. Let us see how we can apply. Here, I appear animation, but you see the order for this one 13, last one. How we can change the order to be the second one? So from move earlier here, you see how the number change it to 11, bring to the second one. Okay, yes. Now insert another slide, new slide. From here you can delete these two boxes and go to Google, search for thank you for your attention. Here just search and bring an image, for example this one. Copy image, go to your PowerPoint. Okay. You can add animation or not. It is not important. Let me add on click with previous. Let's see how our presentation will be. From this symbol slideshow, we didn't apply any animation for rectangular section, so it appears directly. Just use arrows and arrow in your keyboard. You see, find most efficient hydraulic section for rectangular section. The image will appear, and area, weighted perimeter also. This is an explanation. This one, derivation of the weight perimeter equation. This arrow, this one, but area equal to by, so we have to replace a with by. So y cancel each other. So let's see how it will change. It will be b over 2y. At the end of your problem solved, you can say thank you for your attention. I hope this tutorial helps you. See you in next tutorial. Have a nice time.